Welcome to our instructional video on how to apply DEFY Exterior Wood Stain Stripper. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the step-by-step process to effectively remove previously applied stains from your exterior wooden surfaces. DEFY Stain Stripper is for surfaces that have previously applied stains that are still intact. If the wood is simply gray, dirty, or has stains caused by mold or mildew, consider using DEFY Wood Cleaner instead. For more information on that process, watch the DEFY Wood Cleaner video. DEFY Stain Stripper does an excellent job at removing transparent and semi-transparent stains, both oil and water-based. However, it is not designed to strip paint or other film-forming surface coatings. Before we begin, let's gather the necessary materials. You will need DEFY Stain Stripper, a pump sprayer for application, a pressure washer, a stiff bristle scrub brush, plastic tarps, protective clothing, gloves, and safety goggles. DEFY Stain Stripper will cover 100 to 150 square feet per gallon. Rinsing off the stain stripper residue will not harm plants or roots, but exposure to full-strength product will burn foliage. Start by covering any vegetation or plant life surrounding the deck. Then, lightly dampen the surface to be stripped. Apply a generous and uniform coat with a brush or pump sprayer. Allow it to set for 15 to 25 minutes. Reapply if drying occurs. Once the finish begins to lift, scrub the surface with a stiff bristle brush. After scrubbing, rinse in the direction of the wood grain with large amounts of water, using the highest pressure from a garden hose or a pressure washer. Using a pressure washer will eliminate the need for scrubbing. However, particular care should be taken with a pressure washer to avoid damaging the wood. Rinse any adjacent areas at the same time. If stubborn areas remain, repeat the application in those areas. Once the stripping process is complete, it's important to neutralize and brighten the wood using DEFY Wood Brightener. For more information on this process, watch the DEFY Wood Brightener video. Any stripper not neutralized and thoroughly rinsed will cause poor coating adhesion. Allow the wood to dry before proceeding with any refinishing or staining. Clean up your tools and equipment after each use with soap and water. Congratulations! You have successfully applied DEFY Exterior Wood Stain Stripper, removing old stains and preparing your wood for refinishing. For more information and to explore other DEFY products, visit our website at defywoodstain.com.